what all type 1s of the Enneagram are bringing to us is this essence of goodness, of sacredness of life.
If you act wrong, ultimately it will get you in the end. So you might just as well act right.
This must be the best I can do. It must be good, right? And if there's a problem, I'll fix it. I've done the best I can do. Like, this is good. I know, I thought about it. Like, I worked hard. And then they go, pfft. And I go, what?
To see something out of order or not right feels like, no, I've seen it, it's hard to ignore it. I need to make that right. And there's all these other people around. Why don't they see it and just do it? Why don't they leave it for me all the time?